Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook onsen egg in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the onsen egg recipe. You can unlock it by completing the 16 egg photos quest around the onsen mountain like this. Like this. Just collect these eggs, and then if you don't know how to do that yet, just check the tutorial link in the description for watch the tutorial. And then next, just go to NPC Massimo and buy the ingredient. Just buy the bester egg. This one. And then after that just head to the Onsen Lake, specifically on this area. This one on this area. In here you will find several cooking spots marked by pots or bucket like this. Inside you can find these locations on here, just around on this area. And then next, just tap on the pot and then just press and start cooking like this, and just wait for the process. And okay, like this, you're done. Your onsen egg is ready. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.